Okay, I made a video the other week about angles change over distance. Okay, well, if we were to do the geometry of my angles changed over distance, which is the angles of what I measured from 70 meters away, the angle was 30 degrees. So if we start from underneath the drone, well, when I go to 80 degrees away from that drone, the drone actually moves 80 degrees away from me. Same with 70 degrees. Same with 60 degrees. And that drone is getting further and further away from me because I'm on a flat surface. But if we were to do the geometry the same as the ball geometry, well, there's the curvature of the flat park that I was flying at, because 30, 40, 50, 60, it's going up in increments of degrees even though it's flat. That's ball earth logic. Have a good one.